Okay. Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my fellow classmates and to Madam Puan Zanaria. Today our group will be represent our project, and our project title is Hotel Booking App using app Stack and Query. Okay, first I will introduce my member. First will be Muhammad Faiz bin Zulkiffli. Second, Muhammad Rafiqi binti Annuar. Second, myself, Syed Muhammad Danial bin Syed Aznil. And the last member is Faiz Wahidi bin Shuhaimi. Description. Okay. This application is designed for purpose of hotel reservation. The app allows user to make a reservation completely. The system enables guests to schedule date and lengths to stay home, selection, extra and payment in the place. Operation involved and description. Okay, the first one is input customer search information. The first point, customer search the location of interest, choose to start starting date and the end date of to stay at the hotel. And the second, customer can also search for flight ticket, car and taxi rent to and service attraction. Second, register account. In order to book a hotel, user also can register the account through their website for the to make their hotel to make the account at hotel, and also can also input the information from there. And the third is login. And the first one is input user and password. Second, validation user and password, and handle forgot password or username. Number 4, list available hotel, flight ticket, car and taxi rent and tourist attraction. The point is list all the available hotel, flight ticket, car or taxi rent and tourism attraction for customer to choose based on the select for the search result. Number 5, make reservation, input user information to store in the database from the website. Number 6, make payment. For this, for the payment detail, make option for payment method create involving for the payment, such as they can also pay using cash or pay by online, such as debit or credit or any other method of payment online. Number 7, review. Customer can make a review and rating based on their experience in stay at the subject hotel and the business service. Number 8, determine room availability. In order to avoid two different people book on the same hotel room, room availability must be determined. If the room have been picked, the system need to make a specific room as reserved. Therefore, other customer cannot choose the extract specific room. Okay. Data storage pattern. In this application, we basically use query, because query is a linear data structure to store and manipulate customer data, where we can record the detail of it. This application also the order of first in, first out. Query operated basically use inquiry and disquery. Figure below show that how operation work. Okay, from here I will pass to my fellow member.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rafiqi, and if we show here this figure, if we put some input A, B, C, and the step will show like this, and A input is front in array, and C is in array. Next. Okay, after we show here, after this for example and to demonstrate how to use this stack operation, if we after we key in Faiz and Faiz will be the first input, and Faiz also will be a fun and array. After we input, the next input is Rafiqi, and the input will be up at the Faiz, and Faiz will be front and Rafiqi will be rear. Next. Alright, after we input the third input, and the input is Syed, and Faiz will be front and Syed will be rear at the top. And then after we input the Faizan, and Faiz will be on the bottom, Faizan will be on the top of stack. Right? Next. And then we use the DQ operation, and then Faiz input will be removed and Rafiqi will be in front, and Faizan at the top of stack. And then we DQ again, Syed will be front and Faizan will be at the top. So this is example of some method that calls storage program data into files. Next. Right. And we got this one method from the internet, and this at the try print writer will show that they have O1, and the integer x will get O1. In the for operation, the ON, and the system.out.println line is O1. Next. Okay, this how to show the show the step. All the big O, 1, BO1, BON, BO1, we plus all of them, we got O3, BON, and we cut the constant and we get ON. The total cost is ON. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Faizan Wahidi bin Shuhaimi, and I will be discussing about the implementation of collection and its operation. So based from the coding or the application, array is the only type of collection that I found, and it is used to store multiple elements in one single variable. However, an array can also store multiple objects. In the application's code, the array is used to store a room object. Next. So the operation and method that can be found in the code is the declaration of an array using the predefined data type. So from this line, we can see that room is the name of the array, and my hotel is the object of the array. So next is the method to get the length of an array. So we use the myhotel.length. And lastly, array.sort. So this method is used to sort the array element alphabetically. And in the code, this method is used to sort the name of the room guest and allow user to view all the rooms sorted by name in an alphabetically way. So that is all from me. Next.
Okay, for the conclusion and summary, The conclusion that we can take from this project is there is many computer application that use specific data structure consists of stack, queue, linked list, array, tree and graph. The one that we choose is using stack and queue in our project topic. We learned that this specific data structure have many use in computer application and mega company such as Google, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Lastly, we have learned the function of stack and queue in data structure on this project. So the second one is the summary for this project. Hotel booking app using stack and queue is an application designed for purpose of hotel reservation. In the system, it requires queue because it is a linear data structure to store and manipulate customer data so that it can enqueue and dequeue guests that make a reservation room. That's it from me. Thank you.